Hey friends, I'm Anam and today I'm going to dictate you Class 7 Science Forests are Lifeline. So let us start. If you feel the video to be too fast, you can decrease the speed of the video. Question number 1. Explain how animals dwelling in the forest in the forest help it grow and regenerate. Help it grow and regenerate regenerate. So we'll write the answer. Animals help in growing and regenerating. Animals help in growing and regenerating forest in many ways. Animals work as the cleaning agents. Animals work as the cleaning agents in the forest. Microorganisms work on dead bodies. Microorganisms work on dead bodies of plants and animals of plants and animals and degenerate them degenerate degenerate them. Animals also help in pollination. Animals also help in pollination. Pollination. Pollination, which helps in growing a number of plants. Herbivores help the carnivores. Herbivores help the carnivores to grow as they serve as food for them. They serve as food for them. Thus, flora and fauna mutually grow in the forest. Mutually grow in the forest. Question number 2. Explain how forests prevent floods. Explain how forests prevent floods. Answer. Forest can absorb a lot of water. Forest can absorb a lot of water. The roots of the trees, the roots of the trees absorb the water, absorb the water and prevent it from flowing away, and prevent it from flowing away. Roots of trees also help in percolation of water into the soil. Percolation, percolation of water into the soil. This helps in preventing floods. This helps in preventing floods. Now let's start question number 3. What are decomposers? What are Decomposes? Decomposes. Decomposers. Name any two of them. Name any two of them. What do they do in the forest? What do they do in the forest? Decomposers are the organisms. Decomposers are the organisms which feed on the dead bodies, which feed on the dead bodies of plants and animals. Of plants and animals. They clean the forests. They clean the forests. Decaying dead bodies. Decaying dead bodies. And replenishing the nutrients. And replenishing the nutrients back to the forest soil. Back to the forest soil. Example, beetles and grubs. Question number 4. Explain the role of forests. Explain the role of forest in maintaining the balance, in maintaining the balance between oxygen and carbon dioxide, between oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. In the atmosphere. Answer. Plants release oxygen. Plants release oxygen in the atmosphere. In the atmosphere during the process of during the process of photosynthesis. 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 This oxygen is inhaled. This oxygen is inhaled by the animals for respiration. By the animals for respiration. During respiration, they release carbon dioxide. They release carbon dioxide, which is absorbed by plants. Which is absorbed by plants. In this way, the oxygen in this way, the oxygen and carbon dioxide cycle goes on. Cycle goes on. Since forests contain a large number of plants, a large number of plants, they help much in this cycle. They help much in this cycle and maintain balance in nature. And maintain balance in nature. Now we will start question number 5. Explain why there is no waste in a forest. There is no waste in the forest. There is no waste in the forest. In the forest because decomposers because decomposers convert all the dead bodies of the plant and animals into the humus which gets added to the soil to the soil. Thus no waste remains. Thus no waste remains. Question number 6. List 5 products. List 5 products we get from forest. We get from forest. Answer. First, we get medicines from forest. Second, we get gum from forest. Third, we get wood. Fourth, we get food for animals from forest. We get food for animals from forest. We get sealing wax from forest. We get sealing wax from forest. Now we will start question number 7. Fill in the blanks. First, the insects, butterflies, honeybees, and birds help flowering plants in answer is pollination. Second, a forest is a purifier of answer is water and air. Number C, herbs form the layer in the forest. Answer is lowest. Number D, the decaying leaves and animal droppings. The decaying leaves following. In a forest, enrich the. Answer is soil. Answer is soil. Now we will start question number 10. In figure 7.15, figure 17.15, the artist has forgotten to put the labels and directions on the arrows mark the directions on the arrow and label the diagram using the following labels. Clouds, rain, atmosphere, carbon dioxide, oxygen, plants, animals, soil, roots, water, table. Now you can draw this diagram. Pause the video and draw this diagram. We will start with question number 11. Which of the following is not a forest product? Answer is kerosene. Question number 12. Which of the following statements is not correct? Which of the following statements is not correct? Answer is option 2. Plants and animals in a forest are not dependent on one another. Question 13. Microorganisms act upon the dead plants to produce. Answer is humus. If you like the video, like it, share it and subscribe my channel for more new videos. Thanks for watching.